Welcome back to Feast Tool Time. Today we want to decorate one of the largest Christmas trees in the world. And for that I have my very old drone and two options for light chains. One that is 30 meters long and one that is 20 meters long, because I'm not entirely sure how much weight this drone can carry. And that's what we are now about to find out. Okay, let's try this with the 30-meter light chain first. I bring the drone into the air. Full power. Okay, almost. Let's drop it. Okay, let's switch to the 20 meter now. Okay. So I think the 20-meter light chain is the better option here, because you saw the drone is easily able to really lift it up. I have the feeling I can control it much better when I will install it at the tree. So we go with 20 meters. Now let's start installing our light chains. As you can see here, I have 5 light chains in total. Each is 20 meters long, and we're using this drone with a release mechanism to install them on our big tree. And there are so many things that can go wrong, but yeah, we have to try it, right? So let's go. Okay, let's get the first light chain in the air.
Point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
So it's lifting up very well, but I need to get the whole chain up in the air. Okay, let's go. It looks good actually. Trying to hit the top now. Okay. Okay. It down. Very good. Think we are good. And I try to drop it. Yes! Yes! I did it! Let's bring the drone back for our next attempt. Okay, let's try the second one. Again, I will try to get the full light chain into the air. Okay, this is a good position, I think. A bit higher, come on. Okay, now I'm free, more or less, a bit higher. Come on, pull, pull, pull. Yes, a bit too high. This is a good height, I think. Okay, slowly moving it onto the tree. Come on. Yes, this is good. Yes, this is good. Right there. Yes, this is very good. We are even a bit too high, I think. Nothing we can correct manually. It's important that we go over the tip. That is the most important thing. Very difficult flying here now. I think it's good. I will release. Yes, clear the tree. Wow, good. I think we can say this was another success. Let's bring it home. Okay, third one.
Takeoff. The home point has been updated.
Why do I have an alarm?
Check it on the map.
Just ignore it. Okay. It's very difficult to see the top now from here, but I more or less can guesstimate it from the length of the chain. No risk, no fun. Okay, just align it with the other garlands. I think this is a good spot here. Higher. Okay, I do not, hang on. I will have to check on the camera how high I am, because I do not see the tip. I think I'm good, I'm clear of the tip. Length is good. Let's go. Let's go full in. Let's look down again. Yeah, I'm clearing the tip. Pretty sure at least. I'm clearing the tip, not much, but okay. And drop. Let's see, did it drop? No, it did not drop. Oh, come on, don't let me down. Drop, 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 come on. Don't let me down. Dropping mechanism. It's not dropping. Yes, it dropped. Hell. I was a little bit afraid there. And what is it? The third one? No, the fourth one already. Good, let's go. Getting a weird alarm without an alarm showing, so I will continue to ignore this. Higher, 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 higher. Height almost good. Navigate. Okay, I will have to check again how I am in relation to the tip. I don't see the tip yet. Come on, tip, where are you? Okay, I'm higher than the tip. Okay, this is very stressful, I tell you. Let's go in. Let's go in. I'm not over the tip. Very dangerous territory. Please drop it now. I cannot confirm the drop. It's not dropping again. Yes! Okay, let's bring the drone home. The motors are running hot actually. That was the error. And my battery is also empty enough to change it again. Phew, I have to tell you, this is really stressful because sometimes I cannot see the drone behind the tree, and this drone is very old and the batteries are very, very old. So far so good. We have one more to go, so fingers crossed, guys. Okay, the last one, guys. Take off.
Take off.
Okay, now I have to really be precise to get it at the right position. Okay, let's go, 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 go. Little drone, more height. Okay, that looks good. Okay, I am at height. And I will try to move it in that tiny gap, which is very difficult. If it would stop wobbling. Okay, let me double check the height. I cleared the tip, that's good. It's too wobbly, wobble back. Yes, this I can correct from downstairs. It should be fine. I need to get a bit lower over the tip. Careful. And now I have to move position. Okay. That looks almost too high. I lost control of the drone. What's happening? Oh, hell. The drone is losing control. Oh, hell. Not now, not the last one. Come on. Okay, I will drop it. Yes, okay. I had a weird behavior of the drone there. It was turning around by itself. At least I'm not aware that I did something. This drone is very old and I don't want to lose it. And this is obviously nothing those drones are made for. But I think we did it. I think we did it, guys. Thank you to my old, sturdy DJI Mavic Pro. 10 years almost. Not bad, huh? Let's bring it down. Wow, that was it. So let's see how this looks tonight when we will light up the tallest Christmas tree in the world that is still planted. Look at this, a beautiful Douglas fir, and now we know it's actually 20 meters high. See you tonight. Okay guys, the time has come. We are about to light the Christmas tree. I would say let's not wait any further. 3, 2, 1, go. Yes! And let's look at the drone shot. With the drone hovering there, having a rest now, we can say we did it. The tallest Christmas tree in France that is planted, I'm sure of that. And maybe it's the biggest in the world. Awesome. Thank you for watching Feast Tool Time. We constructed the tallest Christmas tree with a drone. It was an awesome project and I'm sure this will be the talk of the village. Until next time.